faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere.
No, it's Million! Hey, you go kill! No! Ah! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I'm gonna die! Ah!
I got my head checked by a jumbo jet.
Oh yeah!
It wasn't easy, but nothing else.
Oh no!
Like that takes a certain type of special, okay? Watch out, sword guy. Good work.
Oh, we're playing CTF. Okay.
I think a couple guys are coming down this way. Isn't that like a remake of the GoldenEye movie? I like that movie.
Not a remake of GoldenEye.
Oh, it looked like a little bit. Maybe I just
Maybe you do. Footage.
See, because you guys are out there, I don't have to be right here, but I am. I'm chilling.
Sweet.
I know Chameleon has a sniper rifle, so I don't fear being out in the open. He's taking a nap. Wake me when we win. Nah. I'm looking. Nobody's coming. You guys are just holding off.
1 minute remaining.
It's just freak nasty. This is freak nasty.
Flag taken.
Take that flag. I killed the guy called Rick Fury. That's ridiculous. Yeah, go. Oh god.
Jeez, I almost killed you.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. Okay, I'm redeeming myself.
Look, you just failed.
They're over at the sniper tower. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I killed one guy.
Yep. Keep it up. Ridge Racer!
Yep.
Damn.
Oh, that was a bad spawn.
Life has no purpose. Oh wait. Oh Jesus. Oh sweet Jesus. Where are they hurting us from now? Nope. Oh, okay. For a second I thought I didn't kill him, and that was gonna be confusing. Okay, we can win this. Maybe. We're the best around, and no one ever gonna bring them down.
Fucking thing right there.
Oh, yes. He did with one shot.
Nah, that could have been me, but that's only because you were in the way. I think you were in the way of my bullet when I was trying to shoot people.
Game over.
Fine. Fair enough. Yeah, okay. For some reason, I just pictured like a DSL modem getting boned in the ass when you said that.
Oh, man. Oh, God.
My dog is awesome. Well,
Is it
she's right
mutual,
here,
Bob?
so like, I was sort of, yeah.
Bob,
Yeah.
I know your dog is great, but is it mutual?
Aww. Oh, that's just disgusting. I was sort of like not paying attention, and then I realized what you said. Yeah.
Wow.
I had a dog once that was named Pork Chop.
Okay.
Ooh. Wonderful.
My dog started tickling my foot.
You win the interwebs. Yay, interwebs.
A touching moment from Jolly Roger.
Territories.
Wow, 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 wow.
Gain the lead.
Okay. I'll protect this
Territory
one.
control. Territory controlled.
Boing, boing.
Lost the lead.
Bum, 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 bum.
Okay. Oh, we got to take a territory.
Oh, hey guys, there's a guy up in the corner where the scarab is, like, fake. Wait! Oh, I'm coming.
I'm guarding this one, Z. No need to worry. Or Tubby, damn you. Yeah, the same thing.
Territory
Yeah, okay, we got
control.
two.
Territory control.
We are the winner.
Territory lost.
God damn it.
Territory control.
I'm dying.
Territory lost. Territory control. Territory lost.
Ah!
Territory controlled.
You said ram it. Okay, well let's get to the, what are we taking now?
Territory controlled.
No, I'm going to the warehouse. Or, I mean the syrup. I fight for Allah. Allah guide me.
Well, what are you doing, you smelly? Way!
Okay, I'm gonna protect these
Territory
streets.
control.
Somebody
Why
protect
let
those
your
scarabs,
team
and let's not get greedy.
One minute to win. Territory lost.
God damn it. Looks like all is lost
Territory
for poor red team.
Territory controlled. "30 seconds to win."
Somebody just interfere with the scarab real quick. Shave off a couple seconds. Yep.
Territory lost.
Oh, here we go.
10 seconds.
I failed you all, I'm sorry!
Hey.
Ah!
Game.
Ah!
Fuck it.
What are we doing?
You know what would
Hey,
be really
doggy,
awesome?
stop doing that. Get out. Dog.
It'd be really awesome in Halo 3 if you could have the option to record matchmaking.
That's not what it sounded like. Yeah, Smillian's the only one who heard. I like petting my dog with my feet.
Wonderful.
I'll bet you do.
Hey, Mom. I love you, Mom. Food.
Good job, man.
Capture the flag. Defense.
Take me all the way. I take it we're on offense.
Owned.
Oh no, we're on defense, I get it. And nobody's taking the raid?
Flag taken.
Oh god. Wow, that clearly sucked. I'm sorry. Okay.
Stop, Gumbo. Baby, roll all my nipples.
Flag taken.
I'm gonna rub your nipples till they bleed.
Where'd
Okay.
that shit go? What time's football?
Flag taken.
Start?
1 minute remaining.
What the fuck? Where's she at? Oh, he's up there.
That is my psychological warfare against the other team. I told them I'll rub their nipples till they bleed. Ah! You did not just say that you sucked yourself. That's something I would do. Ah,
Flag taken.
you must be extra flamboyant.
Oh, dude. He just like wiped out his own teammate. Holy crap,
Yep.
that's hilarious.
Betrayal. 10 seconds remaining.
Uh-oh.
Flag taken.
Chameleon better be
Sudden
epic.
death.
Chameleon has to be epic, otherwise I won't
Run it, run it.
Why won't the timer go down?
Fuck!
try. Yes! From up here. Holy crap.
Taken.
Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. Oh no! No! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Round.
For Allah!
Fuck you, you fucking nigger!
It's my sister's birthday today, actually.
My friend's birthday is Christmas Eve and his girlfriend's birthday is New Year's Eve.
Flag returned. One minute remaining.
Fuck are they?
Hey, we got vehicles back. Let's make it charge. I do love you, Chameleon, with all of my heart. In the least gay way possible. Oh my god.
Flag captured.
Yeah, go Chameleon.
Get him up.
Don't know what's going on.
Somebody grab our rocket, like, for our team.
Okay. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna avoid the race now. Hey, Padre.
Flag returned.
Okay, guys, gotta go.
1 minute remaining.
It stopped. Landing.
Children must be monitored at all times. Do not.
10 seconds remaining.
For the record, guys, I wasn't playing.
Sudden death.
Okay, where is it? Oh god, they have it. Ah, for Allah!
Round over. Flag
Damn.
captured.
Okay, they think I got it, I think.
They think I got it.
Well, that rocket could have been spent on the flag guy, so, aha. Back for a second.
Flag taken.
Okay. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep this flag a rolling, 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 rolling.
Flag taken.
Oh! Keep fighting to survive.
Flag taken. One minute remaining.
I love you guys.
Flag taken.
Let's just walk it home. Walk, Cubby, walk.
Oh, they got it.
Game over.
God, no. Except for the guy who used all the excessive language. You can suck my dick, but good game, Liz.
You can suck your dick. Dude, you have no dick, you fucking faggot.
Yeah. Ugh.
You'll see, in Russia they perform surgery where you have no dick. They
I
take
gotta-
butter knife and they cut your dick
I gotta
off.
go home, so I'll see you guys later.
Wait, who's leaving? No, I love you! Oh! I have no idea. I guess a crazy reunion thing isn't quite gonna go down.
Yeah, like
The military one?
yeah, apparently there's supposed to be a whole bunch of people, but, yeah. Hey, you know what? At least we're here. At least we're here together, guys. Together.
Yeah. We should do something awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited. I wish President...
Slayer. Lost the lead. Tied the leader. Lost the lead. Tied the leader. Gained the lead.
Kill.
Lost the lead.
Your sauce is on fire.
Tied the lead. Gained the lead. Lost the lead. Game over.
Yep, okay, I'm better now. Every time I spawned, I died. It just happened. It was like bam, 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 bam. I couldn't let myself hurt you guys that much.
Yeah, I got a rampage. It was cool.